Hey loves, it's your girl MissRessaT. Thank you for clicking on this video. This is a little different from me coming to you like this, but it was just a random idea and I hope you guys like it. But before we get into the video, hey to my loves, thank you so much for coming to check out a chick again. I appreciate it for being so loyal. And what's up to my new subscribers? And if you are not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. So this video, I don't know. I was doing my hair. I'm in the process of deep conditioning my hair. I've already shampooed and washed it, washed it and conditioned it, and now I'm deep conditioning. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna do a get ready with me, talk through like doing my makeup when I finish all of this. And I was like, well, you just doing your hair now, why can't you do a video now? Because I was thinking about doing a tag, so I think that's what I'm going to do. I found this tag here. My iPad is over here. That's what I'm looking at. So I'm like, why not just go ahead and do it now? Go ahead and deep condition and do this tag. So I wanted to do a get to know me tag because it's been a minute since I've done one. I think I did one like my first year here on YouTube. So that was what, 2 years ago? 1 year ago, I don't even remember, but I was like, it'd be nice to do another one. I've gotten a lot of new subscribers since then, clearly. So some of you guys may know me personally a little bit more because you're on my vlog channel, or you may watch 1 or 2 videos or hear for certain things, so you don't get this, get to know me and who I am and see me plain Jane. Especially on this channel, y'all don't see me like this in this state. I definitely got some inspiration from another YouTuber, Miss Goddess. I got her, I'm going to put her name on the screen because I always butcher it, but she did a detangling and like talk through, and I thought that was cool. So I was like, hey, like I said, I was going to do my makeup, but why not do my deep conditioning routine here? So I am deep conditioning with my favorite products here. These two are a lovely combination, and what I'm going to do is just answer these questions. I have not read them yet, so I hope they're not like weird. But y'all, I had an awesome washing experience. I tried a new, this new little brush thing that I got from Dollar Tree. It's like a shampoo brush. It's like one of those brushes that you put on your hand that vibrates or whatever. You guys will see it in a future favorites video because I'm definitely going to be having it in my January favorites video. But it was so lovely and it felt so good on my scalp. I hope it really helped stimulate my edges. You guys know that I'm working on my edges, which is why you guys have not seen my natural hair in a long time, because I have been doing nothing but protective styles and my hair has been flourishing because of it. But anyways, let's get into the questions. This is, I think it's 25. So 25 get to know me tag questions. So it says, number 1, are you named after anyone? From my understanding, no. My name, if you don't know, is Caressa, and that's K-A-R-E-S-S-A, not a C. It's not Carissa, it's Caressa. But like you caress something is how I always describe it. Lord, I couldn't say that word right. But no, as far as I know, my mama just made that up off the top of her head. All of her children have K names, and they're all very unique. Number 2, when was the last time you cried? Oh, I cried the other day. Was that yesterday? There's a video of this young girl. She's like 16, an ice skating video. And she did the cover of Whitney Houston, one of Whitney Houston's songs. Like, she sang the heck out of it. And then she did her performance, her ice skating performance to it. Bruh, like, she killed it. I know I shared it on my MissRessaT Facebook page. Like, she was the definition of leave it all out there. Like, I used to be in the marching band. And one thing our director always used to say to us is leave everything on the field. If you come off the field and don't feel like you've done 100%, then, you didn't do your job. And she cried at the end of her performance, and you could just tell that she just put her heart and her soul in it. It was awesome. So I cried too, because I cried when other people cried. Number 3, do you have kids? No, I do not have any kids. Number 4, if you were another person, would you be a friend of yourself? Ooh, that's an interesting question. I don't know, because I feel like sometimes I can be a condescending asshole. And while I think I'm very entertaining, and I think my sarcasm and my pettiness is funny to me, I don't know. I've never had anybody have a problem with it. I've never had a problem with making friends. I don't know. I think I would be my friend because I'm cool and I'm real and I keeps it real and I'm never gonna be fake on you. And yeah, I would be my friend for sure. Oh, well, look at number 5. Do you use sarcasm a lot? Yes, I do. I do. I just can't take this world that serious. What's number 6? What's the first thing you notice about people? When I first see someone, the first thing I notice is probably their clothes. Yeah, the way they're dressed. And I'm not like a label person or some big fashionable person. Y'all see my little dress. Like, I'm not, I don't know. Just the way you carry yourself. What is your eye color? Dark brown? They look black, but they're dark brown. Number 8, scary movie or happy endings? Definitely, I don't really care about happy endings either. But I guess, yeah, happy endings. I'm a big kid, so I guess you could say happy endings because I watch a lot of, you know, Once Upon a Time type of movies. I'm not a scary movie fan at all. Did I say 9 already? But number 9, favorite smells. I don't know. I like things like cherry blossom. No, what's the name of that lotion? Almond something from Jergens. That smells so freaking good. My favorite candle scent is, it's looking at me right now. It is cranberry mandarin. That is my favorite candle scent. Number 10, what is the furthest you've ever been from home? The furthest I've ever been from home would be Mexico. I took a cruise to Mexico last year. Number 11, do you have any special talents? I can play a musical instrument. I think that's a talent. I think that's pretty much it. Number 12, where were you born? I was born in the great state of South Carolina. What are your hobbies? I enjoy watching YouTube videos, making YouTube videos. I enjoy DIYing, crafts, shopping for home decor items. Number 14, do you have any pets? No, I do not have any pets. I can't wait to be a doggy mom. It's coming one day. Number 15, do you have any siblings? Yes, I do. I have two older sisters and one older brother. Number 16, what do you want to do when you grow up? Well, I'm pretty darn grown. I want to continue to do what I'm doing right now, running my photography and videography business. Number 17, who was your first best friend? My first best friend was this girl named Amanda. Was Amanda my first best friend? That was back in no, that's a lie. My first best friend was AJ in elementary school. My first best friend was a guy. And yeah, I don't even know how we connected like that, but he was definitely my first best friend. How tall are you? I am 5'2". Funniest moment throughout school. Okay, this is clearly for like younger people. Funniest moment throughout school would be marching band freshman year when I got kicked off the band. And that was funny. Okay. How many countries have you visited? Just one. What are your favorite worst subject in high school? My favorite subject in high school. Did I have a favorite? I don't know if I had a favorite. My worst subject was math. Math and science, but really just math. I could do science if I put my mind to it. I could do math too when I put my mind to it. I just had no desire to. But of course I did great and passed with accolades and all that great stuff. I don't know what my favorite subject. I don't really have a favorite subject. Band was my favorite subject. Where are we at? Number 22. What is your favorite drink, animal, perfume? Well, that's a lot of questions. My favorite drink is Pepsi. My favorite animal is an elephant and a lion. My favorite perfume is Vera Wang. It doesn't really, I think it's just the classic Vera Wang, the one in the diamond bottle. I don't know, like, the name. Number 23. What would you... Oh, I gotta scroll up and my hands are dirty. What would you or have you name your children? Oh, okay. Well, I don't have any kids, and it's not on my list of things to do if I accidentally had a child. I don't know. I've never thought of kids' names. I know they will be very, very non-urban. Number 24. What sports do you play? Have you played? No, I do not play any sports. Like in high school and PE and stuff, I played volleyball and soccer. Number 25. I'm gonna get it together. Who are some of your favorite YouTubers? I actually just did this on my vlog channel. Like, I just went through, I was showing them who I like to watch. So, but for a just general, very short list, I love Gay Babe TV. I love Jackie Aina. I love Platinum D. I love Missy Glenn. I love the Daily Davidsons. Those are just some big ones I can think off my head. But I listed a lot of, like, smaller YouTubers and stuff on that channel that I really do love. So check that out on vlog number 214, I want to say. Number 26. How many boyfriends have you had? Child, I don't know. I've had maybe 5 or 6. Or maybe less than that, because I be with the same person forever, y'all. Oh, wow. I don't know how to let people go. Number 26. I thought it was 25 questions. Okay. Oh, it's 30 questions. Number 26. No, 27. Favorite memory from childhood. My favorite memory from childhood... I don't know. I think ones that stand out are cooking stuff on my Easy Bake Oven, playing with my dolls. Like, I was a big, like, doll person, and I had, like, this huge playhouse, and I just had, like, I had all the Spice Girl dolls, I had all Barbie dolls and Toy Story, and we just had, like, every day I had, like, a story for them. Kind of like The Sims, but, like, in real life, and legit, I would come home from school and play out, just continue on the life, you know. Number 28. How would you describe your fashion sense? Oh, that's a loaded question. I'm trying to work on my fashion, and I'm trying to describe it. I'm trying to figure out, like, what do you call me? I'm very casual. I think it's casual chic, but I'm not sure. But I like to be comfortable. Like, low-key, sometimes I can be tomboyish, but I'm getting better with that. I've started to wear more dresses. I'm sorry, I'm reaching over here. I'm putting the hair in the trash can. Number 29. What phone do you have? iOS or Android? I have Android. I am team Android. Yes, I do have an iPad, but I am team Android all the way. Just a better phone in regards to actual things you need to have in life, especially because I run a business. And number 30, tell us one of your bad habits. Oh, child, one? Girl, I got a lot of them. Let me see. Bad habits. I have a bad habit of assuming things. I'm trying to work on that. I make assumptions. I have bad habits of, like, overall, like, eating habits and things like that are bad. What else? Patience. That's something I definitely need to work on, is having more patience. And yeah, I have a bad habit of popping off my hair instead of cutting off ends since I'm doing my hair. But that is, you guys, the get to know me tag. I hope you found it entertaining. I don't know. It was a spur of moment, and I thought it would be cool to do while I was doing my deep conditioning. So that is all on my head, and I'm just gonna, you know, rub it in, and I'm gonna put on my hot head and let that heat penetrate in for a little minute with my cap. If you want to see a full wash day routine, I definitely do have one on the channel. Hopefully I remember, I'll link it in the iCard. Is there any questions that you have that I did not answer that you would like to know? Definitely let me know. I will be doing a Q&A really soon in regards to business, because like I said, I am a business owner, I am an entrepreneur, so I definitely will be doing that. So if you have any questions for that, or just personal general questions, always feel free to leave them down below, or hit me up on my social media accounts. Make sure you follow me on all of them. They are all MissRessaT. And yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. It's been your girl, MissRessaT, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to live, learn, record, and share, y'all. Smooches!